There are a lot of factors that come into play when it comes to healthy hair growth. One of these factors is moisturizing your hair and keeping it moisturized for a long time. If your hair is not well moisturized at all times, it can lead to hair breakage, hair thinning, and even sometimes baldness. In today's video, I'm going to show you one simple DIY recipe that can help you keep your hair very well moisturized. It has minerals and vitamins that can also stimulate new healthy hair growth and also protect your hair from hair damage. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to use some Vaseline. I know a lot of you know about Vaseline. You use it on your skin, but Vaseline can also help keep your hair moisturized for a long time. I measured about half a tablespoon of my Vaseline. I'm also going to add some shea butter. Shea butter is also great when it comes to moisturizing your hair and leaving it moisturized for a long time. It can prevent hair breakage, hair fall, and also keep your hair healthy. I also added about half a tablespoon of my shea butter. But before getting into the other ingredients, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIY for hair growth like this, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So this is moringa powder. I added about half a tablespoon of moringa powder. Moringa powder has nutrients and vitamins that can help stimulate new healthy hair growth. Adding moringa powder to your hair care routine can also stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. My next natural ingredient is hibiscus powder. Hibiscus also has nutrients that can help you grow new healthy hair. It is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakage. My next natural ingredient is black seeds. Black seeds are also great when it comes to treating your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues that can hinder your hair from growing. Adding black seeds to your hair care routine or your DIYs can help strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakage. At this point, I'm going to add my carrier oil, and today I'm going to use olive oil. Feel free to use any carrier oil of your choice, whether avocado oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, any oil that works well with your hair. I added about 3 tablespoons of my olive oil to this DIY recipe. Alright, so what I did was I used the double boiler method to infuse all these natural ingredients with the Vaseline. Once everything is melted together like so and it is warm to touch, it is time to set it off the stove. Do not wait for this to settle because of the Vaseline and the shea butter. If you leave it sitting for a longer time, it is all going to be solidified. So make sure you strain it immediately when it is safe to do so. So I'm using a paper towel to strain this. You can feel free to use a wet cup, cheesecloth, anything with tiny holes. Just make sure whatever material you use is very clean. I'm going to show you a trick how you can use this DIY recipe to help boost your hair growth. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. And hey you all, if you haven't done so already, I would appreciate you if you can help give this video a thumbs up, share this with your loved ones, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss any of my DIY hair growth recipes and tips. Alright, so I'm going to add some essential oil. Today I chose to use my lavender essential oil. I just love the smell of these essential oils. It helps add to the smell of any DIY recipe, and also it has its own added benefits when it comes to hair growth and also treating your scalp. I'm also going to add about half a tablespoon of my castor oil. Castor oil is a thicker oil that can help condition your hair, keep it moisturized, and also to prevent hair breakage. I also added some vitamin E oil. This is vitamin E capsule. So you can also have this in a jar, whichever vitamin E oil you have. Feel free to add a few drops to your DIY recipes. Once you have everything together, you're going to give it a good stir. After that, you're going to leave it in the refrigerator and allow it to solidify. You can also use it as it is. At this point, you have just made yourself herbal hair moisturizer that will not only moisturize your hair, but it will also stimulate new healthy hair growth because of the natural ingredients that were added. It is also going to prevent hair breakage and treat your hair from any hair damage. Let me know if you were able to watch this video to the end, and also love to know if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one.